You are very active as Snapchat and you love sending people snaps, but it is very time consuming that you have to select each and every one to send snap. Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how to create shortcut on Snapchat in iPhone. Make sure you are connected to internet and you have already logged into your Snapchat account. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Snapchat. Here we go. Now you have to take a snap first. Tap on this icon. After you have taken the snap, at the bottom right corner you can see the send to option. Tap on that. Now at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on that. Now here you can see the option of create shortcut. Tap on it. Now select the friends in this way. And then at the top you can see this choose emoji. You have to select emoji for your shortcut. After you are done, tap on create shortcut. You can see that I have easily created shortcut in my Snapchat. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to create shortcut on Snapchat in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.